Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how you can make a thumbnail for YouTube, and I'm using my smartphone to do this. So what I'm going to do, you want to get this app called Meme Generator. Once you've got that, you want to hit custom meme, and let's say you took a picture on your phone or whatever. You can either download something off Google, or you can take a picture with your camera. I'm going to go to gallery and other sources, and well, I don't know if I got any photos on here. Okay, we'll use this photo right here. So you want to, I just hit OK, and then boom, it'll pop a photo up. So this was from my camera, or my Google Photos in this case, but you can also, download something off the internet and put it on here. And basically this app makes memes, but I'm going to be using it to make thumbnails today, so I'm not going to need this. You can add text if you want to, but I'm not going to. I don't find that too necessary. So yeah, it's pretty much, you do that and edit it how you want to. You can add a sticker to it. You can make a custom sticker. And basically you have to trace around the object. You put, create sticker, choose whatever you want. You have to trace around the object. But anyway, once you're done making your thumbnail, you want to go to YouTube Studio. You want to download that. Once you've gone there, you want to go to your videos. And then, well, first off, you have to verify it. So what you want to do is go to google.com/verify your YouTube account, and once you got it verified, you want to go to here, go to videos, click on whatever video you want to edit, and you go here, click on the pencil there, and then you can either choose a thumbnail from the video here. As you can see, it's giving me options, or you can go to change, and I go to this, pictures, memes, and then boom, I just hit open, and you hit select. You can adjust it how you want, and then you would hit save. I'm not going to save that because I don't want that for my thumbnail. But anyway, it's as simple as that, and I'll see you guys later. Hello everybody, so this is how you verify your YouTube account. You want to go to YouTube, you want to click on your profile picture, scroll down to help and feedback. Oh, I'll try that again. There you go. Once you go on to help and feedback, the screen will pop up. You'll put verify your channel. My channel has already been verified, however, so basically a screen will pop up, and on the screen it'll have you put some information in, your country, and it'll have you put your phone number in, and the verification code will either be texted to you, or you can have an automated voicemail tell you the verification code, whichever you want. After that, you will enter the verification code into the box, and then you hit submit, and that's how you verify your account. It's as simple as that, and I'll see you later.